Hey guys, Apex here. Let's take a second to look at this concrete. You might be wondering to yourself, what is this man doing? Why is he surface cleaning concrete that's already clean? Well, I'll tell you. This concrete used to be blacker than charcoal. I mean, it was horrible, horrendous. And I put a pre-treat on with sodium hypochlorite, let it sit for about 20 minutes, and look at this. It's coming off like hot gravy. I honestly probably could have just washed it all down, like just rinsed it all down, but went ahead and surface cleaned it, especially since the homeowner's watching. You know, got to give the man a value, and it came out beautiful. I tend to do this on most of my jobs because at the end of the day, yes, the SH costs me a little bit of money, but I make that up by saving time, and I can run the machine at a lower RPM and clean faster than if I were to run it wide open or at 70% throttle on concrete that is not pre-treated. And in case you're wondering, yes, I took all necessary precautions to protect the grass from the SH, and you know, you can argue time and money, but at the end of the day, it leaves a better clean, and that's what makes the customer happy. When the customer's happy, I'm happy. Thank you guys so much for staying until the end of the video, and go get it.